Hey guys, in today's video, I will be reviewing the top 8 best robotic pool cleaners. I made this list based on my personal experience, and I try to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 8 in my list is Xpert Scuba S1 Pro Pool Cleaner. The Xpert Scuba S1 Pro is a scale-up version of the Xpert Scuba S1, our pick for the best overall robotic pool cleaner, which is why we recommend it for large pools. It would likely be our best overall recommendation, but the cleaning coverage, runtime, and basket size are more than you really need for a smaller pool, and it costs quite a bit more than the Scuba S1. Designed for pools as large as 2,150 square feet, this cleaner impressed us from the start, with no assembly required and a short 1-hour initial battery charge time. It connected to our Wi-Fi network without any issues and paired to the Xpert phone app, which we use to monitor the charge level. It only works with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, but it worked just fine on our Orbi mesh network that uses both 2.4 and 5 GHz bands. Number 7 in my list is Polaris BRIQ Plus Smart Pool Cleaner. For the ultimate pool cleaning convenience, the Polaris BRIQ Plus is Wi-Fi enabled, allowing you to control and schedule it right from the Aqualake app. Using your smartphone, you can start or stop the cleaner, create customized schedules, and even see when the filter needs cleaning. This high-end robot cleans even the largest in-ground pools, thanks to its 70-foot tangle-reducing cable. It's important to note we tested this cleaner in an above-ground pool, so we could not test its wall, step, or waterline cleaning abilities. All in all, though, we were impressed by this cleaner's capacity, which easily handled the pool's floor, which was covered in algae and leaves. It also learns your pool's size and dimensions during the first automatic cleaning cycle, so that it can further enhance and expedite cleaning during subsequent cycles. Number 6 in my list is Polaris P70 Pool Cleaner. Finding an above-ground pool cleaner that effectively cleans coves, as well as the floor, can be a challenge. We were impressed by the sheer suction power of the Polaris 7000 above-ground pool cleaner, which disturbs the surface of the water when in use. We love that you can easily program it to clean at specific intervals and times. It's capable of cleaning a 30-foot wide pool and has a 40-foot long cable for extra maneuvering around corners and obstacles on the pool deck. Plus, the only setup required was attaching the power hose to the cleaner. The rubber tracks also give this pool cleaner an edge in gripping the slope of a cove around your pool circumference. Number 5 in my list is Dolphin 2024 model Explorer E50 Pool Cleaner. During our initial testing period, we noted that the Dolphin Explorer E50 robotic pool cleaner seemed to be the Ferrari of pool cleaners, and its price tag certainly reflects that. After 6 months of daily use, we still love this corded pool cleaner. It's proven to be powerful, effective, and easy to use. In fact, this cleaner has had no problem removing any debris. Because of its corded status, it doesn't require charging, but that does limit its capabilities to a 50-foot long pool. However, it's compatible with all pool liners, including Unite, fiberglass, and vinyl. Number 4 in my list is Dolphin Automatic Pool Cleaner. If you have a large pool or just want a pool cleaner with all the bells and whistles, the Dolphin Nautilus CC Supreme Wi-Fi operated pool cleaner is a worthwhile investment. During several months of testing, we were impressed by its thorough cleaning abilities. Unlike less expensive models, this robot also cleans the pool's walls and waterline, ensuring every inch is free from dirt and algae. Its 2-filter system captures all manner of debris and keeps it out of the water. This high-end pool cleaner is suitable for in-ground pools up to 50 feet long, and it needs about 1.5 to 3.5 hours to complete a cleaning cycle, depending on your selection. Number 3 in my list is Polaris Freedom Pool Cleaner. The Polaris Freedom is our favorite smart pool cleaning robot because it combines best-in-class cleaning performance with useful smart connectivity that doesn't get in the way. The Aqualink phone app provides a constant connection to the robot, with essential information like charging and cycle status, including push alerts when the Polaris is done and ready for retrieval from your pool. We liked that we were able to use this cleaner without the app after the initial setup. It's really easy to use. Just turn it on, set it in the pool, and it gets to work. The app allows you to choose from 2 specialized cleaning modes: waterline skimming and a smart cycle that increases efficiency. But we were very satisfied with the performance of the standard cycle. Number 2 in my list is WBA Osprey 200 Pool Cleaner. The WBA Osprey 200 performs well in both in-ground and above-ground pools and is really easy to use, which is why it's our favorite budget pick. It cleans flat-bottomed pools very well and even handled the slight incline in our pool, 3 feet on one end to 5 on the other, without any issues, even though WBA designed it with level floors in mind. This robotic pool cleaner costs about $400 less than the Xpert Scuba S1. Our best overall recommendation, which is a huge discount. It can't clean walls and has a shorter battery life, but it's perfect for smaller pools and lighter duty work where a more expensive unit isn't necessary. This robot also works in above-ground pools, which the Xpert Scuba S1 doesn't. Number 1 in my list is Xpert Scuba S1 Pool Cleaner. The Xpert Scuba S1 is our favorite robotic pool cleaner because it provides excellent performance without any complicated setup or operation procedures. It's highly effective at cleaning both walls and floors, and the filter basket is big enough that we never had to stop a cleaning cycle to empty it. This pool cleaner doesn't have smart features like Wi-Fi or smartphone connectivity, but it works just fine without them. It uses Xpert's WavePath 2.0 smart navigation technology to efficiently clean pools up to 1,600 square feet by scrubbing in methodical parallel lines instead of the randomized pathing used by many other robotic pool cleaners. This technology is also used by the more expensive Xpert Scuba S1 Pro, our best for large pools pick, which also has Wi-Fi and smartphone connectivity if that's what you're looking for. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.